I've always been a fan of using natural ingredients in my skincare. When I started this channel in 2013, I did it with the intention of sharing my passion for this. In this video, I want to return to my roots by sharing homemade face masks using one of my favorite natural ingredients, and that's honey. Honey is packed with so many skin benefits. It's a natural moisturizer, it brightens the skin, and it gives it a beautiful, radiant glow. So let's get started. If you've been dealing with dull, flaky, or dry skin, you are not alone. Even with a good skincare routine, the cold winter months can sometimes get the best of our skin. And this mask is especially helpful during these times because it combines two natural moisturizers, jojoba oil and honey. Using oil on the face can be a little bit scary, but jojoba is one of my go-to oils because it closely resembles our skin's natural sebum, so I've never had a problem with it clogging my pores. But feel free to experiment with any other oil you have on hand. Sweet almond or olive oil are also really good options. Use this mask when you want to deeply moisturize your skin. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a natural exfoliant. It helps reveal healthy-looking skin by removing that top layer of dead skin cells. You want to stay away from flavored yogurt and use plain yogurt instead. And I recommend using raw, unfiltered honey for all of these masks to really get all the benefits it has to offer. Every time I apply this mask, my skin ends up feeling so soft and smooth. For best results, leave it on for at least 20 minutes before washing it off. Anytime I'm looking for a simple detox mask, bentonite clay will almost always be included. It binds with toxins and helps bring them to the surface of the skin so they can be eliminated. I like to add a little bit of water to the honey so it's not so sticky, and then I add the clay. I include a weekly detox mask like this one into my skincare routine to prevent blemishes and help keep a clear complexion. Matcha is essentially a concentrated form of green tea. It's packed with chlorophyll, making it a great source of antioxidants, which help to protect the skin and reduce inflammation. I love to consume this internally as a tea on a regular basis, but it's also amazing for the skin, especially when you combine it with an ingredient like honey. For a smoother application, I recommend adding a little bit of water to the honey first, and then add the matcha. This mask helps to reduce redness and evens out the skin tone. If you've seen any of my other homemade skincare videos, you probably know I love to use oats. It's another one of my favorite ingredients. It's great for just about any skin concern, whether that's dry skin, acne, irritated, or oily skin. I think anybody can benefit from it. I like to pulse whole oats into smaller bits so it's easier to work with. And for a little bit of exfoliation, apply this mask by massaging it into your skin first, and then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. There's no one size fits all when it comes to skincare, but I've always been a firm believer in the power of using natural ingredients. I hope this video inspires you to add simple natural ingredients into your skincare routine. If you have any homemade face mask recipes, please share them with me in the comments below. I'd love to try them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another video.